Hello, guys. Good day and welcome to another weekly update, episode 60. We have really tried. This is episode 60 and this is season 2. Thank you guys for watching. We have been here, so there are some work we are doing and we are going to proceed with the rest of the activity this week compared to the one we make last week and we have shown you. And by the way, some of the one we make last week again, you still get to see it on this week update as I will be showing you that in just few seconds. And I filmed some. So by the way, this intro I didn't get to make this earlier, so I just decided to make it later so it goes with the rest of the video because I just started the video like that without making the intro. So watch the rest of the clips. And by the way, this is my jacket I make ages ago. I hope you guys are seeing it very well. If I zip this up now, okay, let me zip this up now and see and show you guys how it's looking like. Nobody is here now. I wish somebody is here, so I would have shown you all the body and see how it's looking. And by the way, we have few of these that are available for pickup. They are all for sale. But this particular one I'm wearing is my personal one. It belongs to me. So all these things you see, we do training for this. You really want them. So anytime you want them, you can just like get towards them. So as you can see the way it's looking. It has a side pocket here, then another one here, and the design, even from the back, I then put a off-white strap on the both side, the yellow one and the white one. So initially I make this jacket for my bike when I used to ride a bike, but now I retired a little bit, but I know I'm going back by the way. So we still have a few of them in the stock. So if you want to see them, let me know. So I'll post the picture in the community. So anyone, if you want any of them, you can just talk to me and we'll send it to you no matter where you are in the world. So that's just it. So guys, thank you guys for watching. Let's proceed with the rest of the activities and watch the rest of the video. You're still here, design. Yeah, you too, you studied for one place, Abby.
That's how business.
Okay, it's both time. I thought it's this thing now. So we have the rivets. But I think, is it long enough? Will it work? It should work. So instead of punch, we are using this hand punch instead of just the punch you use hammer to knock. So once you both hands to make sound, exactly. Punch. Steel. Put the cover like that. Place it at the edge of the list where you want to make it. Normally I use this edge because you can use here too. Don't forget your hammer. No, use the top. to use plier. Sometimes you can use plier or use your hammer. Okay. Is you okay? Shake it very well now. You try to put it. It's no, you change it and fix another one. That's how I was already content. That's the one I say I hear the sound. Further. Make sure it enter the first one very well. Then the second one. And make sure the head, the cover it very well too a little bit. Use your you can use your scissors. Place it on this place. Use your scissors to tap the mouth and make sure that one comes in very well before you put the cover. Because the first one I know exactly, not like that. Use the mouth of the scissors. That's why I say you should check. So you put this one and see. It has to cover it very well. So when you put it to or you want to use plier. This one, remove out of it. Soft you don't pour them in. Let's try one. Let's see. This one is long, longer than what you want to fix. Normal size is that little one. So let's try that. Try that little one back on the second one. See which one works best. You want this thing to you want your animal to just eat it maybe twice, not like too much. This work as work now. You don't need to pull again. Show it to us. Let's see. Show the main post now. The main post or the post. You are not showing the post very. You didn't show the post very well. It's good. It's good. So we are working on another project. Probably we might show the complete or maybe just half of it. But I think maybe I'm going to dedicate a tutorial to this particular bag, which is that one. But that one is complete leather. Meanwhile, this particular one we are going to make is the same size as that, but it's a little bit, the specification is a little bit different because this is a complete chain. Meanwhile, this is going to be a quarter chain, then the other hand will be the strap, Then it will be mixture of Ankara fabrics with leather as well. The leather will be from the bottom. That is left for you. I think I will stop even asking guys to. I will stop asking you people to subscribe. So if you that is making bag, she has to go home, so she has left already. So probably tomorrow we'll conclude the bag, we'll finish it up. So I will show you guys, and you guys should also watch out for the tutorial as well. So that's the bag. I just decided to update you. So once she finished the bag tomorrow, we are going to continue the weekly update, and I will show you the bag, and that is where we are going to end the video tomorrow. So good night for now, and see you tomorrow. As you can see, the outside is dark. So guys, it's another day. Yesterday I say we didn't finish the bag, so we have started with the rest of the process. But probably today we are going to finish it and end the video here. So the front is ready with the lock and the eyelets. The lining has also been fixed. That center with the divider will be soon, very soon. And this is the front here. We are applying gum to it, and we have fixed the other side of the lockdown with the washer at the back. Now we are about to put the lining. So once we finish, now we'll show you the bag so you see the outcome. And by the way, I say we dedicate a tutorial to it, so probably the tutorial might come out before this one or after this, but just watch out for it. So from there you learn all the basic and everything you need to know about this particular bag. So see you at the end of the video. So guys, welcome back. As you can see, we are done with the bag, and it's looking very, very good. As I said, tutorial is coming up on it, exactly the way we make this bag. Go watch the tutorial. So which one do you prefer? This one combined with leather and Ankara, or the full leather with full chain? Let me know in the comment section down below which one you prefer. And by the way, this bag, they just make it in 2 days, and it's difficult. It will be a little bit difficult for you to tell that this is made by students, because even me, I was impressed by our work. So that's it, guys. This is where we'll be ending this week weekly updates. Any of you, if you have any question, you can feel free to leave it in the comment section down below. So we do training on site and online. Any of it, if you want, you can. My WhatsApp will be in the link in the description. So we have different package for you guys to learn. Make something like this, exactly like this. We will give you the secret behind it to use a domestic machine to make something like this, which most of the people don't know how to use. So that's just it. See you next week. Thank you guys for watching, and bye for now.